Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This video is a curly to straight hair tutorial. So if you want to see how I straighten my hair, which is a once in a while occurrence, then keep watching. So I start out on freshly washed curly hair. I did a deep conditioner in the shower and a color revival because my hair started to get a little brassy, but I prefer for it to stay as close to my natural dark brown color as possible. So this is freshly washed curly hair. I have detangled it and now I am separating it to make it easier for straightening. So one of the first products that I use when straightening my hair, well actually this was the first time I tried it, is the Aussie Total Miracle Heat Protecting Spray. I usually use a heat protectant just so I make sure that I preserve and protect my curls whenever I'm applying heat. So this one has apricot and Australian macadamia oil. It has no sulfates. It says that it's supposed to protect your hair from the heat of blow drying, straightening, and curling. So I just spray this all throughout damp hair to make sure that every strand is as protected as possible. I then use a round brush to create some tension and hold my hair straight while I am applying the heat from the blow dryer, and I just blow dry until I'm sure that my hair is dry. And I found that even though I don't have the best round brush technique, it definitely helps to smooth my hair out and make the flat iron process a lot easier. And when I'm done blow drying that back section, I like to smooth everything over with my hands, and then I twist that large section of hair to keep it smooth while I am working on the rest of my head. And I found that this technique works best for my hair, especially coming from such a humid climate. I would have to preserve the hair that I've already straightened before I move on to the next section. Then I move on to the top section of my head, and I just basically do the same thing, but before I come in with my heat protectant, I set my part so it kind of tells my hair which direction I want it to go as I'm going through the straightening process. And I apply that heat protectant all over and then start blow drying. Once I'm done blow drying a section, then I twist it just to ensure that it stays in that straightened state as best as possible before I come back in with the flat iron. Now that I have my three major sections separated and twisted up, I go in with my Argan oil, my Creme of Nature Argan Oil Heat Defense Smooth and Shine Polisher. This protects against heat styling, smooths, eliminates frizz, and seals in exotic shine. Plus it smells really good. So this has been a favorite of mine probably over the last 5 years whenever I straighten my hair. I use a comb. I usually use like the fine side of the teeth, and this is called the chase method. It just helps to ensure that curly hair remains smooth as you are using the flat iron. And once I'm done flat ironing a section, I come in with another Aussie product. This is the first time I was using it. This is the Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil, and this one has avocado and Australian jojoba oil. This oil is supposed to absorb into your hair and seal the cuticle to lock in hydration, and that's definitely what you need, especially when you've dried out your hair with a blow dryer and a flat iron. Whenever I'm done flat ironing a section, I make sure to apply that intense hydration oil with a focus on the ends to make sure that they stay nice and healthy. When flat ironing the front of my hair, I try to get as close to the root as possible. And that is pretty much the finished look. It may take me about an hour and a half to go completely from curly to straight, but this style can last up to 2 weeks depending on how dirty my scalp gets, if my head gets itchy, if I'm sweaty, all of that stuff. But it is a long-lasting style, and these are the results. So thanks for tuning in, loves. If you like what you see, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.